In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to screen mirror iPhone to Samsung TV Series 8. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Samsung TV model or iPhone model you have, you can easily connect them together. So to do this, you will have to set up some settings on the Samsung TV itself and then start screen mirroring from the iPhone. So ensure that the same Wi-Fi connection is being used for both the TV and the iPhone, so both of them must be on the same network for this method to work. As long as both of them are on the same Wi-Fi network, so go into the Wi-Fi settings on the TV and then on the iPhone, make sure that the network is the same, then you can proceed. Now access these settings on the Samsung TV, and under the general category, you will find Apple AirPlay settings. So this is going to be the most convenient way to get the screen mirror started. When you go into settings, general and AirPlay settings, what you have to do here is ensure that AirPlay has been enabled. It might require a code, so if it is set to first time only or always, it will prompt you to input a code when you connect your iPhone to the Samsung TV. This is for extra security. So now, if you input the code, or when you go over to screen mirroring, so swipe from the top of the iPhone and go into the screen mirroring options you can see located here with this icon. And inside of screen mirroring, as long as both the Samsung TV and the iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi network, it is going to be detected like this. So after you choose the Samsung TV and start the connection, anything that is being displayed on your iPhone screen will be mirrored over to the Samsung TV. It is simple and it will work for any application that you open. So you can look through photos and videos on your gallery, you can open YouTube, open Netflix, whatever it is that you wish to watch. And before I end this video, I want to highlight something I've noticed when I check the channel metrics. 83% of you are not subscribed to the channel. By subscribing, you can help us bring you the best solutions to your problems, so consider subscribing. It helps us a lot. I count on your support, and I'll see you on the next video.